This 5 side project recommended to every mechanical engineering student. First one is the topology optimization, means redesign a part with less material and more strength. Second is computer aided reverse engineering, pick any real mechanism or geometry, do the 3D scanning, build a CAD file and find the failure and fix it. Third one is the API simulation. It's not like just running the software. Do the mesh convergence, hands-on calculation and redesign the loop. Second last is a CFD study. Simulate airflow or heat transfer on existing geometry. Use OpenFOAM, which is free and open source. F1 and Boeing also using it. Last, Mechatronics build. Design and build something that actually move with sensing and control. If you need any help with this project, comment below. Follow Gauge Out for more.